Welcome to your new beginning. Over the next 30 days, we're going to start on a transformative journey together, diving deep into the power of affirmations to attract abundance. Each day, we'll explore affirmations that open the door to prosperity, positivity, and personal growth. So, get your journal ready, find a quiet space where you can focus, and prepare to repeat and reflect with us. Let's start this journey with an open heart and a committed spirit. I embrace my dual nature, allowing my versatility to open doors in all aspects of my life. Every day, I am learning to navigate my thoughts with clarity and purpose, aligning with my highest goals. I allow my natural curiosity to lead me to new and enriching experiences that enhance my life. My words are powerful, they create a positive impact on those around me and reflect my inner truth. I am a communicator at heart, bridging gaps and building connections with ease and grace. My adaptability is my strength, helping me thrive in every situation and embrace change as it comes. I am confident in my ability to juggle multiple interests, making the most of my diverse passions. With each breath, I inhale peace and exhale doubt, trusting in the universe to guide my twin spirits. I am a continuous learner, forever expanding my mind and enriching my soul with knowledge and wisdom. My intellectual energy is a beacon, attracting opportunities that satisfy both my curiosity and my ambitions. I balance my playful side with my profound insights, bringing joy and depth to every interaction. As I navigate the complexities of life, I remain grounded in my truth and open to the perspectives of others. My creativity knows no bounds, it flows through me, bringing unique ideas and inspiring innovations. I am committed to understanding myself fully, embracing all aspects of my persona with love and acceptance. Each day, I grow more aligned with my true purpose, guided by introspection and propelled by my dynamic nature. My relationships are a reflection of my ability to communicate and connect, and I nurture them with thoughtfulness and care. I possess the remarkable ability to adapt my mindset to meet challenges, transforming obstacles into stepping stones. My mind is a bridge between the mundane and the magical, and I walk this bridge with joy and curiosity. I draw on my inner wisdom to make decisions that align with my highest good, trusting my intuition to lead the way. Every conversation is an opportunity to learn and grow, and I engage with others to expand my world. I cherish my ability to think quickly on my feet, using it to navigate life with confidence and creativity. My thoughts are clear, and my words are deliberate, helping me communicate my intentions effectively and lovingly. I am a master of reinvention, continuously evolving and embracing new facets of my identity. As I journey through life, I am patient with my progress, knowing that each step is significant. My playful nature is a gift that I share freely, bringing lightness and laughter to those around me. I am deeply connected to my community, and my efforts to contribute are appreciated and valued. With every new interest I pursue, I open a door to a new part of myself, exploring with enthusiasm and commitment. I am a beacon of ideas, sparking creativity and innovation in my personal and professional life. My ability to see both sides of any situation is a powerful tool for understanding and harmony. I am grateful for my restless spirit, as it propels me towards growth and new experiences. My mind is an expansive landscape, where ideas roam freely and dreams take shape. I confidently express myself in all forms, trusting that my voice is heard and my contributions are meaningful. I am a natural diplomat, handling interactions with tact and sensitivity, and fostering peace in my surroundings. Each day is a fresh start, a new chapter in the story of my life, written with hope and ambition. I am kind to myself, knowing that self-compassion is the key to nurturing my twin souls. My intellectual curiosity drives me to ask deeper questions and seek more meaningful answers. I am a harmonizer, blending ideas and people together to create something beautiful and impactful. As I balance my varied interests, I find harmony in diversity, enriching my life with every new endeavor. I trust in the flow of life, confident that each twist and turn brings me closer to my ultimate goals. My ability to adapt is my superpower, allowing me to thrive in change and rise to any challenge. I am committed to my personal growth, recognizing each experience as an opportunity to learn and evolve. My spirit is adventurous, always ready to explore new horizons and embrace the unknown. I am a creator of opportunities, turning my dynamic energy into tangible results and achievements. My communication skills are a bridge to understanding, and I use them to build strong and lasting bonds. I honor my complexity, knowing that my multifaceted nature is a tapestry woven with rich experiences and insights. I am a catalyst for change, inspiring myself and others to embrace growth and seek out new possibilities. My life is a blend of magic and logic, and I navigate this blend with curiosity and confidence. I am open to the abundance of the universe, receiving blessings with gratitude and giving back with generosity. My resilience is bolstered by my adaptability, allowing me to bounce back from setbacks with renewed vigor. I am a seeker of truth, using my intellectual prowess to uncover deeper understandings and share them with the world. My heart and mind are in sync, guiding me to live authentically and pursue my passions with integrity. I value my relationships, investing in them with the care and attention that nurtures mutual growth and respect. My journey is unique, and I embrace the path less traveled, finding joy in the unexpected and learning from each detour. I am a light for others, shining brightly and inspiring those around me to pursue their own paths with courage and joy. My curiosity is a gateway to innovation, leading me to discoveries that ignite my passion and drive my ambitions. I am mindful of my energy, choosing to focus on positive thoughts that elevate my spirit and attract abundance. Every challenge I face is met with grace and intelligence, turning potential problems into opportunities for growth. I am a vessel of creativity, filled with innovative ideas that transform the world around me. My spirit is unbounded, exploring the depths of my imagination and the breadth of my capabilities. I am deeply rooted in the present moment, savoring each experience and cherishing the journey of life. I am going to share with you how we can use these affirmations. You can start your day by choosing a few affirmations that really speak to you. Maybe they're about love, health, or finding joy in little things. Say them out loud each morning to set a positive tone for your day. It's like giving yourself a pep talk in the mirror. Keep those affirmations handy, on a note card or as a phone alert, and revisit them whenever you have a moment. Before bed, reflect on the good parts of your day and repeat your affirmations to end on a high note. Writing them down in a journal can also help you see the changes they bring over time. The key is consistency. Stick with it, and you'll start to feel the shifts in your mindset and life. It's about believing in the words you're saying and letting them uplift you every day. Using affirmations regularly offers several profound benefits that contribute to personal growth and well-being. Affirmations can significantly increase self-love, encouraging individuals to appreciate and accept themselves as they are. This boost in self-love naturally leads to improved self-esteem, as affirmations reinforce positive self-perceptions and capabilities. Additionally, incorporating affirmations into your daily routine can help reduce stress by shifting focus from negative to positive thoughts, creating a calming effect on the mind and body. The practice of repeating affirmations is more than just reciting positive statements, it's a powerful tool for mental transformation. Hope you found value in today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps support the channel. Don't forget to share this video with friends who might enjoy it too. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.